Okay, I'm going to give you a quick walk through the back end of a e-commerce website, so you know how to do it. Now, there's another video on how to add blogs and pages and media library and all that sort of stuff. So we're on gloves and sanitizers to log in the back end of their website. And I've got a special extension, which is back end access, but normally it's WP-admin. So it's your URL /WP-admin, unless you've got a special hidden login like they do here. Then you put in your username, your password, and you'll get to the dashboard. And the dashboard can look different to this, and you can hide different options on the dashboard up here. And you might have on your dashboard, you might have a link to the client's help articles, which is on FindNet Solutions. You can go find it on FindNet Solutions, mouse over the Contact Us tab, go to client's help articles. And the password for there at the moment is here to help, no spaces or lowercase. Anyway, so let's just get back into this. This is the dashboard. Now, on the other video that I've got for editing your website, it talks about adding posts and media and pages. This one, we're just going to focus on the e-commerce side of it. So your menu items are going to look different. But if you've got an e-commerce site, you will have your e-commerce tag, and this is where your orders are. So in orders, this is when an order comes in, and it's here to be processed. After you finish processing it, you can mark it as completed or ready for pickup, or it could be in the processing. And just click on it and do the editing. And that's what you need. That's what you need to do. You can look at customers and what people are buying what, and look at orders, how much they've spent over time, number of orders that they've put in, and all that sort of stuff. So back on WooCommerce, the other main one is settings. General is just going to be your address and all those basic things. Product is going to be how the products are, weight and dimensions with centimeters, millimeters, kilograms, or grams or whatever. Shipping, depending on what shipping plugin you've got. I know with this one, it's Aramex, which is Fastway. And Fastway shipping, you just need to have a free account with them, and then you can interlink this, and this is all the different box sizes and satchel sizes that come standard. And you can add extra ones, and it's linked to your account here with your special API key. Payments is where you have your different payment gateways. They've got PayPal, they've got Stripe, they've got WizPay, so you can pay it off over 4 interest-free payments every fortnight. You can have direct to bank. And so all you need to do is click on manage, and then you can manage the settings for each of those. That's under shipping. And emails just shows you what the email is going to be like when they place an order. So you can just change that template if you need to change the colors or anything else on that. And make sure if you're changing the emails of where the emails are going to when the order gets it, so they end up in your inbox. That's setting. Any other extensions, if you link into MailChimp or others. Products, this is where all your products are. So we'll go to products, and products, you get a whole list. And if you've got a lot of products like they do here, and they've got 213 products, you can filter them here or do a search here. And if you just want all the gloves, you can do the search and it'll just bring up all the gloves here, so you can do it. And when you get them here, you can just go quick edit. And this is where if you need to change the price or the weight or the size of the packet, if the packages have changed size, you can do that without having to go in and do a full edit on a product. If you've got a new product, you've got another product, you can duplicate this and it will just create one and it'll say copy after it. And you go through and naturally you fix it up. Now, in the layout here is this top section here is the full description. So if we have a look at a product in their store and just say it's this one here, the main description is this description at the bottom. So in the back end of the website, this is the main description. It's at the top. So it's back to front. And below that, you've got the SEO, but you can drag and move these sections around. But this is just standard. This is the SEO, so you focus keyword, the meta description for it. And then you come down to its pricing, the SKU number, the stock number for it, stock quantity, low stock threshold, shipping, what its weight and size and everything else is. Other link products, you can link other products so that when they want to do upsells and cross sells, you can do all that. And this short description is at the bottom. On the page itself, the short description is at the top. Okay, so that's all you need to remember is you just need to read this and it says product short description. So you need to know that's the top, and the other one is just your normal description. Okay, and coming down the right-hand side, Monster Insights, they're just trying to do an upsell, so we can hide that and get rid of it. You can preview to see what this looks like from the front end without having to keep on saving it. And then you come down here and choose the categories that it's in and subcategories. This is the product image. And if there's other images, you can have it so that it has other images with it. So this one here has other gallery images. As you can see, that's them there. Here, okay. So when you've finished here, and you can have product tags, they go in here. That are words that are only about this product, then you can just click publish when done. Okay, so that's products. You can add new by clicking it, or you can grab a previous product as I showed you before, and you can just clone it. And as you can see, when you go to clone, it creates a copy. But I'll just get rid of that for them because they don't need to be confused from my fiddling around in here, giving you a demo. So that's products. Now coming down, you can look at your analytics, orders, categories, blah, blah, blah. And marketing is overview, but coupons are very handy. You can set up coupons. I've got Black Friday at 10% off. Free for you. I think I set that up so I could test it. There's other discounts here. A welcome pack one, which is a 7% loyalty one. So click add new. Or you can go in and edit one. So they're Black Friday 10% discount. We can come here and it's a percentage discount of 10%. and it's on for only a certain period of time, and that was the expiry date. They had expired, so people can't use it again, and they'll probably activate that again for 2022. Usage, you can set up the minimum, maximum usage and limits for coupons. When you're done, make sure you click update. Images are in your image library. Make sure that you name them, resize them, and compress them using something like Tiny PNG before you upload them. And when you do upload them, make sure that you have got an alternative text and a title. The Google bots read this and say to visually impaired, that's what they rely on. And this is the title of the image. Okay, and make sure it's compressed because you want the smallest file size as possible. And if you use a JPEG, if it doesn't have a transparent background, use a JPEG. If it needs to have a transparent background, use a PNG, but it will be at least 10 times larger in file size in weight. So the page is going to load slower and Google won't like you. So you can click to add new or drag and drop into here. You can look at it in list view or in this type of view, in grid view. And you can upload PDFs, so you can link PDFs as well. Okay, so and to improve your ranking, make sure you use posts. Okay, so posts are blog articles, and when you do that, the same layout as a page, only publish it when it's done. Okay, because we've got special SEO functionality in the back end of posts that ping the search bots every time you press publish. So you need to let them know that they're there, but you don't need to bug them to death, otherwise they'll blacklist you. So preview a page or a post or a product, and then only publish it or save it or update the page when you need to. So I hope that was helpful to give you a walkthrough, but all you need to do is, with eCommerce, go to WooCommerce, and orders is where you need to go on process orders. Settings are settings, and you can go and look at customers and their how many orders they've put in and what they are and all that sort of stuff by looking at per customer rather than per order. And when you're finished, make sure that you log out. If you're looking for anything else, as far as clients help articles go, the clients help page is at FindNet Solutions, mouse over contact us, go to clients help. The password for here is here to help, all lowercase, and then you can go to the different sections and you can submit a ticket, a support ticket, or book a strategy call. But there's a lot of good stuff here. So this is a very good sales and marketing video, a customer avatar worksheet so you can understand your customer better, defining your purpose and creating an elevator pitch, free sales training courses, training for LinkedIn. Anyway, it's all here, and it's if you mouse over the Contact Us page, if you go to FindNet Solutions and mouse over the Contact Us page, there it is, and it's here to help, all lowercase, no spaces is the password. Anyway, talk soon.